Hi everyone, it's raining in Kochi and I feel that I should just curl up and read a book. But then I thought I should come and tell you about these five new releases that I came to know of. And very interesting books, very interesting authors, two collaborations which I would never have thought of, and three authors who already are established writers. So let's start with the collaborations. So the first book is called Remain, and it is written by Nicholas Sparks in collaboration with, hold your breath, M. Night Shyamalan. Yeah, I would never have thought that he would write a book. So M. Night Shyamalan, who is the director of fantastic films like The Sixth Sense and The Village, is collaborating with Nicholas Sparks, the king of romance, to write a book called Remain. So it is a combination of the supernatural and a love story. It is a story of Tate, an architect who is leaving the place where he was staying because of a tragedy in his life. And he goes to another place to start a new project to get away from everything. He meets a girl, Ren, and everything is not as it seems. And he falls in love with her. And then what happens? So that is Remain. And next, we move on to the next collaboration, which is Gone Before Goodbye, written by Harlan Coben in collaboration with Reese Witherspoon. So Reese Witherspoon has got a book club and all that. So this was not that much of a surprise, but still, it's not a collaboration I would have expected. Harlan Coben writes fantastic thrillers. And those of you who watch Netflix would have seen a lot of his films on Netflix. So Gone Before Goodbye is the story of Maggie McCabe, who is a army combat surgeon. And due to a series of tragedies that happen, her license is revoked. But Maggie desperately wants to work, and she gets an assignment through a friend to treat a mysterious person, mysterious client on the other side of the world using cutting edge technology. She jumps at the chance and she goes there, and while the treatment is happening, that person disappears. And Maggie realizes that she has to find where he is, or else her own life is in danger. So that is Gone Before Goodbye, written by Reese Witherspoon and Harlan Coben, which might be a great thriller. And now we move on to the established writers. So the next book is Twice. It's called Twice, written by Mitch Albom. Mitch Albom is the author of this fantastic book called Tuesdays with Morrie, which you might either have read or definitely heard about. So Twice is the story of Alfie. And Alfie is a person who gets a second chance in everything in life. He can undo a particular action and go and relive it again without making mistakes. So that is how Alfie is leading his life until he falls in love with a woman and gets married to her, and then realizes that there are consequences to what he does. So that is Twice by Mitch Albom. Mitch Albom fans, please go and check this out. The next book, book number 4, is The Intruder by Frida McFadden. So Frida McFadden is the hugely successful author of the Housemaid series. I loved The Housemaid, but the rest of it I'm not a big fan of. So The Intruder is her latest book, and it is a story of Casey, who's staying in this cabin in the wilderness. One day she finds a girl outside her cabin who's covered in blood and who's holding a knife and who refuses to speak about what happened. Casey takes her in. But then the girl is not who Casey thought she would be. So what happens? So if it is in the signature Frida McFadden style, then there will be a lot of twists. So that is The Intruder by Frida McFadden. Now coming to the last book, which is written by John Grisham, and it's called The Widow. This time John Grisham has moved away from legal drama to a legal whodunit. This is the story of a lawyer in a small town who finds that he gets a new client who is a widow, who's very wealthy, who's extremely wealthy, but nobody knows about her wealth. So he tries to keep it secret, but then there are a series of events due to which he is on the run. So he finds himself on the run because he is in the middle of this terrible, terrible event that has happened. So that is The Widow by John Grisham. So these are the 5 new books: Remain by Nicholas Sparks and M. Night Shyamalan, Gone Before Goodbye, written by Reese Witherspoon and Harlan Coben, Twice, written by Mitch Albom, then there is The Intruder by Frida McFadden, and The Widow by John Grisham. So if you are in the mood for any of these books, if you are in the mood to read a book which is very, very recent, all these books are there for you. So while I go and read, you go and check them out. It's a rainy day, like I said, so I shall call up and read, and you shall go and check out these books. So till we meet again for the next video, you guys stay safe, take care, and keep reading. Bye bye.